Inspired by cats. Two-legged cat. We're in a nest. I hate the nest. I love the nest. These aren't my children. Shave me. Shave me. Shave me. Fur pile. I want to be made into a prom queen. I want to eat oatmeal. I want to eat stamps. Our owners gave us stupid names. My name is Fluffy. My name is Princess. My name is Matthew McConaughey. I will win Project Runway 2009. I have had lice. Rape! 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 I probably shouldn't be screaming rape in my... I don't want to be on Lolcats! Our mama told us not to talk to strangers. But I would really like some candy. Yeah, candy. Sour gummy worms. I wish I only had one bowl of Cheerios for breakfast. Oh, that massage feels great. Thanks. Thanks, Lucinda. Psst. She strokes me backwards. Help. Meow. 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 What the fuck? I wish I had the abortion. I got this chair on Craigslist for $5. It might be controversial, but I love him. Oh. 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 Oh.